What's up? Happy 4th of July if you're in America. If you're in Australia, am I picking? I don't know anything about Independence Day. I'm Australian, but I do know a thing or two about marketing via email. So today we're going to break down some popular email marketing strategies for the 4th of July. Some really good emails that you can steal if you're a small business and copy everything that they do right and put it in your own email. My name's Stuart, I work for SmarterMail. Please subscribe if you're interested in e-commerce. If you've got a business, if you want to know more, if you want to know how to grow your business, please subscribe. This email, what do we think of it? What do I think of it? I think it's quite strong. I think, first of all, if we look at the copy, focus on the fireworks. Oh, that's very transparent. Two really strong bits of copy, and there's not a lot of copy in this email to start with. That's all it is. They're creating a need for the product. And what's the need? It's just that if you want to see fireworks and if you want to drink and if you want to have a party for the 4th of July, get an Uber. Creating a need for your product is always a pretty good place to start as far as marketing goes. And I think this is a really strong concept. I think this is also a pretty well-designed email. Call to action's clear, right in the middle there. It's not giving you any more clutter than you need. It's just a simple little image, cute little animation there. Fireworks, focus on the fireworks. I think with email, simple is better, and you get everything you need to know about this email by looking at it within 1 second. All you have to do is glance at it and you completely understand what Uber's selling you, the value it has, and then you're out. It's not wasting any of your time. Good on you, Uber. That's a great email. Let's move on. Yep. Fireworks seem to be the theme. I love how much this animation totally just sells the email. You don't need anything else except for this explosion. It's tasteful, it's restrained, and then you've got obviously the star-spangled banners. I think, if there's something to learn from this, is that it's how effective animations can be in your marketing strategy. I love that the sale is front and center. You take one glance at this email and you're going to see the sale. You can't miss it. The only thing this email is missing is that it needs it honestly could do with just a call to action right here in the middle. It's actually missing the most important thing, which is, okay, what do I click? What do I do now? You want me to type in Tommy Hilfiger into my URL? I'm not going to do that. I'm checking my emails. I'm busy. I'll do that later if I remember. And the other thing, to be honest, is that probably could have put in some product photography. Show me the most popular jacket. You know what? Yeah, I just feel maybe they could have had some squares here of just in the background, t-shirts, jackets. I don't think that would have ruined the design of this email, and I also just think that would have sold me a little bit harder. But still a gorgeous email. Simple, clean, elegant. I guess I'm going to start reviewing it now. So I didn't review the other one, but this one's going to get 7 out of 10. Strong, super strong email. Okay, here we go. Vineyard Vines. Happy 4th of July. So this is a completely different strategy here. So here they're trying to sell you on the brand, not anything in particular. They're not trying to sell you a product. They're not trying to sell you a sale or a service. They're selling themselves here. They're the American dream, rags to riches. They're underdog. Thank you for supporting us. We appreciate it. Hand signed by the CEO, which is a nice touch. And then, of course, all this lovely product photography. So if you're a boutique retailer and let's say you're making handmade jewelry, you probably can't afford to do sales. You can't give 5% off your products because you put so much time and resources into every single item that there's just no room for that 5%. You've priced it as low as you can already. And if that's the case, this type of email is the emails that you should be sending out when it comes to these holiday seasons. Thank you for supporting me. Happy 4th of July. This is my story. I'm going to give this email probably a 9 out of 10. Yeah, I think the only thing this email is missing, because look, they're already trying to sell products here. They've got this sticker. I'm assuming that's what they sell, stickers. It wouldn't have been too hard to just be shop here. Every day should feel this good, .whale. Yeah, This, whatever this is, maybe this is a button. If it is a button, it's not a very clear button. This could have been a more clear call to action. That's my only criticism of this email. Otherwise, bloody perfect email. I hope this has given you a little bit of inspiration to start writing your own emails. Again, like, emails don't need to be so complicated. They can be pretty straightforward. And as far as this email goes, yeah, look, I just can't fault it. Like, well designed, clear, punchy, pretty convincing, super simple. Would have taken somebody 20 minutes to make, but it just works. Like, and if we got the animation, it's the animation that's really pushing it to a 10, because it's just like such a flawless little email. All right. Anyway, guys, I hope this helped. I hope this has given you a little bit of inspiration to start email marketing. If you like the video, let me know. If you disagree, let me know down in the comments and I'll argue with you. I won't. I'll respect your opinion. Again, please like and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching. I'll link some blogs down below if you want to do a bit more reading about 4th of July sales. Yeah. All right. Thank you, guys. See ya.